Is your closet due for spring decluttering? Well, here are my 5 signs that you need to do some decluttering. If you're walking past your closet more than you're walking into it, girl, that's already a sign in itself. But number 1, you keep wearing the same outfits, formula, but you have the rest of your closet untouched. How many of you have been here? I have. It's been a while, but I definitely have. Now, if this is constantly your life and you scream this, I have nothing to wear, then baby, this is a sign. This is a sign. This isn't just something you need to keep going. You need now, if you've seen this sign and this sign has been going on for months, then now you need a strategy. Let's go on to number 2. Number 2, you own multiple pieces that serve the same purpose, but that purpose is no longer there for you. Let's say you bought an outfit. It used to be your go-to outfit when you do interviews, when you go to networking parties, when you go to dinner to do some business or the girls' night out, but now it's not serving you. Maybe you lost some weight, maybe you gained some weight, maybe you have elevated yourself to another playing field, but it's no longer doing what it's doing. Baby, that's a sign. That's a sign that you need strategy. Let's go on to number 3. You have a full closet and nothing to wear. Sound familiar? That's not a shopping problem. That's a fashion signal problem. Did you know that? In the Nothing to Wear ebook, I break down the 3 signals that are creating confusion in your everyday fashion wear. Download the free guide, link below, and let's get your closet working for you, girl. Come on. You own it, but you haven't touched the product in over a year. Yes, I said over a year. You let the months go by, June, July, August. Maybe you saw somebody wear it, or maybe you saw a mannequin, or maybe you, I don't know, you met somebody and the way they put it together, they threw it on, and you was just like, oh, I want to buy, where you get that from, girl? And now you have it, and you're just like, I don't want this no more. Baby, that's a sign you need to declutter. That is a sign you have to start putting things into action. If this is happening to you and you have multiple items that you have not touched in over a year, baby, you have a declutter that you need to clean up for this spring or whenever you're seeing this video. So let's go on to the next one. I know this one may sound similar to the first one, but it's some people still have different end goals or different perceptions. So my next one is you avoid this section. Maybe you have created a section. I had one client who kept throwing the stuff that she does not like, or she's just like, I don't know why I bought that. It was in one specific section, or maybe you put it on the shelf at the top so you don't have to see it. So it's just taking up more and more space and it's growing. Is this you? So if that's you, then that's kind of totally different from the first one. If that is you, that baby, it is time to declutter. You definitely need to get into strategy mode. Let's go on to the last one. Number 5, the tags are still on the items. And you're just like, why did I buy this? This is one of the most top common phrases I hear. And then you often yell, I have nothing to wear. If this is you and it's taking up a lot of space, or it's becoming to take up a lot of space, then baby, this is a sign that you need to declutter that closet. All right, if this is you, let me know down below in the comments which one you fall into. If you resonate any of them, let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you actually declutter your closets, and don't just say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. Really declutter your closet. It will be a whole new world out there and better items out there for you. All right.